Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to create a menu button on your Telegram bot. Let's start. Open BotFather and start it. Then type /MyBots and select your bot. Then select bot settings and choose menu button. Select configure menu button, paste your app URL and give the button a name.